love bold flavors but simple recipes, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're making tandoori chicken with a zesty mango chutney. Start by marinating 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Mix 1 cup plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, minced garlic, grated ginger, and a blend of spices. Coat the chicken and let it soak in all those flavors for at least 2 hours. Overnight is even better. Next, fire up your grill or preheat your oven to 375 degrees Celsius. Grill the chicken for 6 to 7 minutes per side or bake for 25 to 30 minutes until it hits 165 degrees Celsius inside. Garnish with fresh cilantro. Now, for the mango chutney. In a saucepan, combine diced mangoes, chopped onion, vinegar, sugar, and ginger. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and chili flakes. Simmer until it thickens, about 20 to 25 minutes. Let it cool. Serve your tandoori chicken hot, topped with that sweet and spicy mango chutney. Perfect with basmati rice or naan. Enjoy.